Hello everyone, my name is Saroj Bhangade. Today's date is 20 May 2022. Today's video topic is mechanism action of the Vildagliptin. So, Vildagliptin is a once daily dipeptide peptidase 4 inhibitor used in the management of the type 2 diabetes mellitus. Brand name is a Galvals, generic name is a Vildagliptin, and drug bank accession number is a D804876. Vildagliptin is a orally active. Sorry, Vildagliptin is a orally active anti-hyperglycemic agent that selectively inhibit the dipeptide peptidase 4 enzyme. It is used to manage type 2 second diabetes mellitus, where GLP first secretion and insulinotropic effect are the impaired. So, by the inhibiting the DPP4, Vildagliptin prevent the degradation of the glucose like the peptide 1 and a glucose dependent insulinotropic polypeptide, which are the incretin hormones that promote insulin secretion and uh, regulate the blood glucose level, evaluate the level of GLP-1 and GIP, consequently result in the improved glycemic control. In clinical trial, Vildagliptin has a relatively low risk of the hypoglycemia. So, mechanism action of the Vildagliptin. Glucose like a peptide 1 and glucose dependent insulinotropic peptide are the incretin hormones that regulate the blood glucose level and maintain the glucose homeostasis. It is a estimate that the activity of GLP-1 and GIP contribute more than the 17 70% to be the insulin response to the oral glucose challenge. They stimulate the insulin secretion in the glucose dependent manner via G protein couples GIP and GLP first receptor signal. In addition to their effect on insulin secretion, GLP-1 is also involved in promoting isolate neogenesis and differentiation, as well as the pancreatic beta cell apoptosis. So, in creation, hormones are also extra pancreatic effects such as the lipogenesis and the myocardial function. In type 2 diabetics mellitus, GLP secretion is impaired and the insulinotropic effect of the GLP is significantly diminished. So, Vildagliptin it is a blood glucose lowering effect by the selectively inhibiting DPP4, an enzyme that rapidly inactive GLP-1 and GIP upon their release from the uh, intestinal cells. DPP4 cleaves the oligopeptide after the second amino acid from the N-terminal end. So, inhibition of the DPP4 subsequently prolong that the half life of the GLP first and the GIP, increasing the level of the active circulating incretin hormones. So, the duration of the DPI of inhibition by the Vildagliptin is dose dependent. Vildagliptin reduce the fasting and glucose and HbA1c. It enhances the glucose sensitivity of the alpha and beta cells and augment glucose dependent insulin secretion. Fasting and post glucose level are decreased, and the post lipid and lipoprotein metabolism are also improved. So, this information about the mechanism action of the Vildagliptin.